how to enable or disable show audio output in settings on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now from the main settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer. If you do not have developer, you can turn it on by going into privacy and security. Then we scroll down and tap on developer mode. In here, make sure you turn on developer mode. Then we go back into settings. Now in here, tap on developer. Then scroll down to the bottom. And finally, you can turn on show audio output in settings. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.